YouTube channel. Today we're gonna go with the next video, how to apply Australia online. So it's gonna be a student visa and subclass 500. So let's get it started. In order to apply a student visa, since you are going to study, first of all you need to choose a course and the institution. So you need to know which course you wanna read or study, and then which institution you want to go for. So decide on the course you want to study, choose institution where you want to enroll, and then you also need to make sure that institution is registered on the Commonwealth Register of Institutions and Courses for overseas students. You can simply Google and find that information about that college, and know the information about it. So after that, you can apply to that college and then receive an offer letter, which you need during your visa processing. Um, Over there, in an offer letter, you will have a detail of your course, how much is the fee, and then any college requirement before you even join to the college. For example, IELTS score or minimum scores of others things. So it will describe everything over there. Uh, so gather the documents. You need to gather all the required documents in order to proceed further uh, in an organized manner. So some of the documents like complete a visa application forms. Of course, you need to fill out the forms, which we're gonna do it later, or go in detail about it, how to do that and how to go to that place. Passport size photographs. Make sure you have passport size photographs, and then you have a passport. In order to travel, you of course need a passport. And then proof of English proficiency. some of the um, some of the proof of English proficiency include IELTS exams or TOEFL or Duolingo, or yeah, there are so many. So you can find out more and get more information about it. More documents like academic transcripts and certificate. Make sure you make copy of them when you submit it. And you also need to have a confirmations of enrollment, which is called as COE as well, from your institution. And then you also need to write it down, a statement of purpose, why you want to go, what are the things. You can simply Google different samples about the statement of purpose, and then you can attach it. And proof of financial capacity to cover tuition fee, living expenses, and return airfare. So basically, uh, when you go for a student visa, it is mandatory or it is required that you need to have enough amount of money to study there, because the intention of a student visa is to go and study there, not to work or something. So that's why at least at the beginning of you apply, you need to have enough bank balance that you can show to during your visa processing. So you also need to have overseas student health coverage. So make sure you connect with your school and then have insurance, which insurance is better, and then get more information from them, or you can simply Google about it and then have insurance. Any additional documents required by Australian Department of Home Affairs. So you might need any more documents from them in future. So you can basically just gather those documents if required. So basically you're just gonna apply online. In order to apply online, just go to create an email account, and then create an account you will get, and then complete a visa application form and attach all the scanned documents. And then finally you need to pay a visa application fee, and it depends on the fee depends on different visa types and then locations as well. And then in some of the cases you need to have a biometrics and health checks depending upon your nationality and circumstances, because not all country requires biometrics. But after you apply, you will get a notifications that you require biometrics. So you need to double check whether you require biometrics or no. After, as soon as you submit your documents and pay your fee, they will just say that it will you will require a biometrics, and then finally wait for the results. uh, Now I'll just show you any steps how to go in a correct order, or how to move forward. So if I were you, just go to apply Australian visa, and then I'm just gonna go here. For any other visa applications you can do same thing. So I'm just gonna go to the visa requirements, which is right here. And then if there is anything like biometrics, you can check about the biometrics here, and then obtaining a state police clearance and obtaining FBI clearance, and then character requirements and health requirements, all the informations are there. So you can simply go in this document and then um, just get more informations about it. And then if you want to apply Australia, so if you want to go to explore visa options for visiting or any types of visa, for now we're just gonna go with student visa. So what is the main purpose of your this is, so let's go home, and then we're gonna explore the visas, what type of visa you need it. So it's for getting a visa, working in Australia, employment, bringing someone, your visa is expiring, or anything. So you can just go to getting a visa and list of all the visas. After I have all the visas, I'm gonna go with studying and training visas. So today we're gonna just go with the student visa, and then here is so many informations about it. So this is, if it is subclass 500, you have 5 years of 5 years, and in line with your enrollment, up to 5 years and in line with your enrollment, and cost is Australian dollars $710. And then processing time, you can just check it here. With this visa you can participate or eligible course of study in the Australia, travel in and out Australia, work up to 48 hours fortnight when your course of study or training in session. Also you must apply online in or outside Australia, and then be enrolled in a course of study in Australia. uh, you can go more in detail, and then you can just simply apply. Since you know that in order to apply you need to create an email account, and then you can just click on create email account and then move forward from here. It is very clear information here, so I think it won't be a problem for you to create an account and just move from there. So if you want to know more about visas, like with this visa you can, how long you can stay or stay longer, cost, or pack packaged course, or anything travel, or so many informations you can get it in the website. You can also check your eligibility here. Be a certain age, you can just check it out here as well. So, and then if you want to go step by step, you can also do it here. So for example, before you apply, what you need to do. So organize your health exam, get help with your application, have a valid passport, and then step two, just gather your documents, apply for visa, apply after you, I mean, gather your documents. If you go inside, gather your documents. There is a lot of information you can have it. So apply a visa as well if you are in Australia, and then apply online, see how has the information, right? So each of the information is there. Create or log into email account, attach documents, pay the application fees. Very detailed version of it. I will highly recommend just go here, and if you see something like see more, just click on see how or see more, and then you're good to go from there. I hope this will help you a lot. And then when you have a visa, what you have to do it is more of like here you can go and read everything and then be more clear about it. If you have any questions or anything, feel free to comment down, and then I'll try my best to respond it. And just wait for the results after you apply, and have a good one. I hope this video helps you. If it helped you, feel free to like, subscribe. Thank you very much.